Good morning class. This is your chemistry class. In previous class we study about chemistry and the history of chemistry. Here where we will discuss the great minds of chemistry, those people who make the chemistry established. So there are so many scientists who have done so many researches in the field of chemistry. Have a look. These are Henry Cavendish, Joseph Priestley, Antony Laurent Lavoisier, D.I. Mendeleev, John Dalton, and Marie Curie, P.C. Ray. There are so many. Okay, and they discovered the gases, the elements in the periodic table. They discovered some theories. They proposed the theories. Okay, which we will discuss in the further classes. Okay, means in later classes. Now our next topic is, right now in this class you just have to learn the name of the scientist and the theory. That's it. Okay, the explanation or what is the theory, okay, we will discuss in the later classes. Okay, now we will discuss the importance of chemistry. Okay, now chemistry is very important in cooking also. You know that everything is made up of chemical. Okay, everything what we observe or the things we are surrounded, all are made up of chemicals. Okay, so chemistry is very important in our daily life. So I will give you some examples where we use chemistry in our daily life. The first one is cooking. You know, in cooking also we are using chemistry because and when you cook the food, initially the state of the food is raw, but when you cooked it, the state of the food is changed. Okay, when you eat it again, it is changed. So means some chemical processes going on which changes the state of the food. The chemistry explains how the food changes. Okay, as you cook it or as you eat it, as you preserve it, so it changes. That how the status changes, it tells the chemistry will tell you this. Okay, now next is your cleaning. In cleaning also we use chemistry. For cleaning purpose you use so many disinfectants like Lysol. Okay, and we can say Dettol also, and we use soaps also. Okay, detergents. Okay, so all these are made up of chemicals. Okay, these are made up of chemicals. So in this way we use chemistry as in cleaning purpose also. Next importance of chemistry is medicine. In medical field also we are using chemistry because chemistry helps to understand the vitamins and the supplements which you take. Okay, whether it helps you to understand that whether these supplements, whether these vitamins harm you or not. Okay, the chemistry helps you in that. Next is agriculture. As you know that in agriculture, from agriculture we are getting the food, fruits, okay, pulses we are getting it, and we always want that the crop for fertility is very good. Okay, how we get it, the production part is very good. Okay, we want always that production of the food is always good, but how it can be good? Because insects are there, some things are there which makes the fertility rate fertility of soil low. Okay, so we farmers, for this farmers uses fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides to increase the fertility. Okay, if they increase the fertility, so definitely it will increase the production rate of the crops. Okay, so in this way we are using chemistry in our agriculture field also. And next is industry and transport. As you know that there are so many industries. It's a clothing industries there, petrochemical industry, refineries are there. Okay, in there we are using chemicals to obtain the product, to obtain the quality product. Okay, for refining purpose, for distillation purpose, we are using chemicals in industries. Okay, next topic is your, now we study that importance of chemistry. Now if something has important, so on the other hand it has some harmful effects also. Means someone has disadvantages, something has some advantage, then on the other hand it has some disadvantage also. Now the harmful effects of chemistry. First harmful effect of chemistry is increased pollution. Means we are using chemicals nowadays in so many things. Okay, means we are surrounded by so many chemicals. Okay, so which increase the pollution. Example, as you see, industries in first figure, this is the main reason behind the pollution is because of industries. As industries emit so much smoke, so much waste material, okay, and the harmful poisonous gases in the atmosphere, which leads to the environmental pollution. As you see in the figure, the industrial waste is thrown into the river, and this water flows and mix it with the other one. Okay, in this way the water is contaminated by the waste material of the industries. And now what happened later, what happened later, the people uses the river water for washing the clothes, for drinking purpose, some uses okay, and for cleaning the utensils, and some uses for uh, cleaning the bathing for animals. Okay, so if the people use this contaminated water, then what happened, the people get suffered from some diseases. Okay, so this is very harmful for us. Okay, in the second figure you shown that there is a industries which emits the smoke, and this smoke basically pollute the air, okay, which we are breathing. So people also suffer by this, because if they're breathing polluted air, then so many disease arises. Okay, so now next is your depletion of natural resources. As you know that with the increase of industrialization, with the increase of chemicals in the industrialization, day by day we are decreasing the natural resources. You know, industrialization is increasing, and for that industrialization what we need area. So we are cutting the forest in a large number of ways. Okay, so that in a large number of ways we are just cutting the forest, okay, and implement the industries. And we are also depleting natural resources like minerals also we are depleting. Next is our destructive weapons. As we know that chemicals, we are using chemicals in explosive weapons such as RDX, and we use chemicals also in crackers and nuclear weapons also, which we make for our country safety. But when we use these weapons on the other country, then it will make a great destructive if of destructiveness. Okay, so this is basically chemistry has some advantages, but on the other hand it also has some disadvantages. So and that's it for this class. Thank you very much. Next time we will discuss about the precautions and the some equipments which we used in chemistry. Okay.